Imagine you already own a classic Scorpio, the old model, strong body, powerful road presence, but now you want that fresh, aggressive modern S11 look without buying a brand new SUV. This is where conversion comes in. Turning your old Scorpio into a new S11 style machine is not just about looks, it is about giving your vehicle a completely new identity that feels premium, bold and up to date. First, let us talk about why people love this conversion. The Scorpio S11 has a sharper front design, modern projector headlamps, stylish grille, LED DRLs, and a muscular bumper that instantly makes the car look expensive. When you convert your old model into S11 style, you get that same road presence at a fraction of the cost of a new vehicle, and that is the biggest reason why this trend is growing fast. Now, starting from the front section, which is the most important part of the conversion, the old Scorpio front needs to be completely replaced with the S11 style setup. This includes a new front bumper, redesigned grille, bonnet sometimes slightly modified, and the most noticeable change, the headlamps. The S11 comes with projector headlamps and LED daytime running lights, so you will install aftermarket or original style projector lights which instantly upgrade the look from old to modern. The grille is another key highlight. The old chrome heavy grille is replaced with a sporty black or piano finish grille similar to S11 design, giving the SUV a more aggressive and premium feel. Some people even go for customized logos or blacked out themes to make it look even more unique. Moving to the side profile, the good thing is Scorpio body structure remains mostly the same, so you do not need major changes here. However, to match the S11 look, people upgrade alloy wheels, install new side cladding, and sometimes add chrome door handles or blacked out trims depending on the theme. New S11 style alloy wheels play a big role in completing the transformation because wheels define the stance of the vehicle. Side indicators can also be upgraded to LED versions, and adding side steps similar to S11 gives a more complete SUV appearance. If you want to go further, you can install roof rails which enhance the adventure look of the car. Now, coming to the rear section, which is equally important, the tail lamps of the old Scorpio are replaced with S11 inspired LED tail lamps which are brighter, more stylish, and give a modern touch instantly. The rear bumper is also changed to S11 style, which has a cleaner and stronger design. Sometimes people also install a rear spoiler to match the new model aesthetics. The spare wheel cover is another detail. Many owners upgrade to a modern styled cover with branding similar to the S11, giving the back of the vehicle a finished and premium look. Now let us move inside the cabin, because exterior conversion alone is not enough. If you want the full experience, the interior of old Scorpio can be upgraded significantly to match the S11 feel. Starting with seat covers, you can install leather seat covers with contrast stitching similar to modern SUVs. Dashboard can be modified with new trims or wrapped in soft touch materials to give a premium finish. Infotainment system is one of the biggest upgrades, replacing the old basic system with a touchscreen infotainment display that supports Bluetooth navigation and smartphone connectivity. Instantly modernizes the cabin. You can also add a reverse camera, which is both useful and common in S11 variants. Steering wheel can be upgraded to a newer design, sometimes even with controls for music and calls, adding convenience and style. Instrument cluster can also be modified or replaced with a more modern looking setup, though this depends on budget and compatibility. Ambient lighting inside the cabin is another popular upgrade. Soft LED lights under the dashboard or seats give a premium feel, especially at night. Now let us talk about the cost, because this is what everyone wants to know. The total cost of converting an old Scorpio to S11 style depends on the quality of parts and level of customization. Basic conversion using aftermarket parts can cost much less, while using original or high-quality parts will increase the budget but also improve the final result. On average, people spend a significant amount but still far less than buying a brand new Scorpio. It is very important to choose a skilled workshop for this conversion, because fitting, quality, alignment, and finishing make a huge difference. A poorly done conversion can ruin the look, while a professionally done one can make it almost impossible to tell if it is not an original S11. Another important factor is paint matching. After installing new parts, the entire car is usually repainted or at least blended properly so that everything looks factory finished. Color choice also matters. Many people go for bold colors like black, white, or dark gray to highlight the aggressive design. Now let us discuss pros and cons of this conversion. Starting with advantages, you get a modern look at lower cost, you increase resale appeal, you enjoy a fresh driving experience, and you stand out on the road. But there are also some drawbacks. If the work is not done properly, you may face fitting issues. Some cheap parts may not last long, and in some regions legal approval for modifications may be required, so always check local rules before starting the conversion. One more thing to consider is insurance after modification. You should inform your insurance provider because major visual changes can sometimes affect policy terms. Now imagine the final result: your old Scorpio completely transformed into a bold, stylish S11 inspired SUV shining on the road, turning heads everywhere. People will think it is a brand new model, and that feeling of driving something that looks new but is actually your trusted old vehicle is unmatched. This conversion is not just about changing parts, it is about upgrading your experience, your style, and your connection with your car. It is about taking something you already own and turning it into something you truly love again. So if you have an old Scorpio and you are thinking about giving it a new life, the S11 conversion is one of the best options available, combining style, performance, feel and value all in one powerful transformation.